Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I remove my client's hair extensions. So as you can see, I've sectioned up her hair to find the row and I feel for the bead. And when removing the bead, I actually will clamp the bead from the top and bottom and I will pinch with the pliers. I know some people will clamp the bead from side to side to open it, which you can do, but I feel opening it from the top and bottom works better for me. As you can see, it opens up pretty easily and I'm able to get the bead to slide right out. When I close my beads during my install, I do clamp them and clamp them really tightly closed. So it does make a divot in like the center of the bead. So this is why I open it from the top and bottom versus side to side. Because if I do side to side, it's just gonna crunch the bead more inward where I made the extra clamp. And as you can see, once the beads are removed, the hair most of the time can easily slide out. If the client's hair is damp, then it does make it harder for the hair to slip out. Or sometimes the client's natural hair can tend to either get tangled or sometimes matted if a weft is snagged in with like the mustache of the root. So that is the only time that you could see I'll take my scissors and I'm not cutting the hair, I'm only cutting the stitching because the stitching is keeping the wefts so tightly together. Once I cut the stitching, everything, the wefts can like open up and loosen and then the hair can slide right out. So as you can see, I'm cutting apart the stitching just a little bit more. And there you go, and everything is slid out. And then I just brush out any matting and everything looks great. Healthy scalp, and she's good. Thanks again for following along.